Hi, I'm Tanya, and this is my guide to 234 capsule wardrobe. So let's get started. 234 capsule wardrobe consists of 9 pieces of clothes, divided into 3 main categories: top, bottom, and layers. For top, we got tank, t-shirt, shirt, blouse. Bottom, including pants, skirt, short. For layers, including jacket, coat, vest, dress, jumpsuit. Each of categories should have at least 2 items, but not over 4 items, with a sum up to 9 items. Here are some examples: 2 bottom, 3 top, 4 layers, or 2 layers, 3 bottom, 4 tops, or 2 top, 3 layers, 4 bottom. So which category got how many items really depend on you. It's pretty much flexible, as long as you don't have more than 9 items. When I create 234 capsule wardrobe, I will start with 2 main pieces, and I will add more items that match with those 2 main pieces. While adding each item, I'll make sure that it matches well with items in other categories that I already select, and I will fill in until I got total of 9 items. With less than 10 items, it is much easier to organize, mix and match. And since almost every item match, you got more total looks. And if you want to create larger capsule wardrobe, you can create another set of 234 capsule wardrobe and take some of the piece from your previous capsule wardrobes. So here I select t-shirt and pleat skirt, and I take it and create another set of capsule wardrobe. I first start this capsule wardrobe while I was packing for my trip. These 2, 3, 4 capsule wardrobe are great for traveler. These 9 items capsule wardrobe are perfect for 3 to 5 day trip. And if you are a person who take hours to find your daily outfit, this capsule wardrobe will be your solution. Because since almost every item in this capsule wardrobe are carefully selected, you can randomly grab any piece and match them together. So this is my guide to 234 capsule wardrobe. And to create the perfect capsule wardrobe might take time to perfect your dream closet, but I think it's fun to try out different style and outfit. Be flexible. And if you want to check out my 234 capsule wardrobe that I have created, for more ideas I will leave the link. If you like this video, please thumb up. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye!